So we're going to make the shorts, and we're going to make that shirt tie. So we're using the same pattern for the shirt tie, and then just these sleeves is going to be a little bit shorter. So guys, when I'm doing the shorty shorts, I just take out a pair of shorts you have and trace them out. So these, I'm just using my butt lift spandex, and I'm going to trace it out because I want them a little longer. I don't want them like shorty shorts. And these are going to be the two for the shorts. This is for the tie. That's for the tie up top. And this is for the sleeve. So I'm going to cut out all the pieces, guys, and assemble them together. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I bet y'all like, what do you have on? Guys, these is the boots that I've been longing and waiting for. My orders finally came in. So these boots connect all the way up with a belt going around. So if you guys see, let me show you this outfit. See, I made it out of shorts. So it's made out of shorts, but I didn't make like the booty shorts. So I wanted to wear these boots with it. So I'm like, oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. I love different, guys. So I like different. So you see how these boots come way up? They come way up, they zip here, and then they zip underneath here. And I will say, if you got really big thighs, you won't be able to fit these. I'm just letting you know now. If you got extremely big legs, big thighs, don't even waste your money. These boots will not fit you. I got petite legs, so that's why I'm able to fit it. So they buckle up like this. And you buckle the belt up, and this is what it looks like. So I like different. I like really, really weird, different stuff. So I think the weirdest stuff. So you see, they kind of look like, I don't know, like the rodeo cowgirl boots. But this is what they look like, guys. These boots. And I love them, guys. So this is how the outfit turned out, guys. So with this one, the only difference is, if you guys see, I did them puff sleeves. Like the puff sleeves. So a crisscross here. The back is out. You guys see? The back is out. So that is the finishing look, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are the finishing results. And yes, guys, my clothes are bold. I was told I dressed like a Power Ranger. I would take that as a compliment, guys. But dare to be different, guys. So this is the finishing results of that outfit that I made, guys. And the shorts are longer, but I actually push them up a little bit when I wear these boots, or you can wear them down. They're longer shorts. But anyway, guys, you guys have an awesome day, and make some awesome project, guys. I love, love, love making different bold stuff. So dare to be different, guys. So you guys have an awesome day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.